Health benefits of onions. There are a lot of health gain from onions, so if you enjoy them to treat on or to prepare with, do not hesitate to continue doing so. There are numerous types of antioxidants discovered in onions that can assist to enhance your immune system. Some research study has revealed they likewise assist to fight against diabetes mellitus, heart problem, as well as some types of cancer cells. Onions contain huge quantities of chromium as well as vitamin C that your body requires too. In current research studies, individuals with high blood pressure and high cholesterol degrees have had the ability to significantly minimize those numbers. All they did was include onions to their diet plan daily for 30 days. Naturally, there is some dispute about the legitimacy of such test outcomes. This results from some individuals making other adjustments also that might account for their blood pressure and cholesterol going down. Among the most recent locates regarding the health benefits of onions is for females. They often experience osteoporosis because of inadequate calcium as they age. There have actually been examinations to show that taking in onions can help a woman to balance out the effects of weakening of bones. In some cultures, onions are a staple in a sort of brew. This is served to those that have actually experienced poor nutrition. It is also provided to those that are in the procedure of recouping from extreme diseases or damaged bones. They believe there are prosperities in onions that will help to advertise the healing procedure. In the very early days, onions were provided to people with colds, respiratory disease, and even bronchial asthma. Many individuals still rely on these natural remedy, and also they utilize them rather than purchasing non-prescription medicines or prescription medicines. It may appear silly to some people, however, for those that have obtained benefits, it is the only technique they will certainly use. A few of the numerous health benefits of onions have yet to be verified. There is still a lot of research that needs to be finished in order to verify or reject such claims. Yet what is understood is that onion is a veggie that is both scrumptious and also is good for you. Consequently, you need to be eating it as you wish with no fret about it.